Hello guys, I warmly welcome to all of you for today's session. So in previous video we have discussed about logical operator and or have you seen right? So how to use A and D, what is the difference between A and D and ampersand? So have you seen A and D always taking two parameter whereas ampersand taking multiple parameter at a time. Have you see the OR double state pipeline and normal OR. So OR also taking two parameter, right? So that one we discuss a study in previous video. So today we are going to discuss about like concatenation, how we are going to be concatenate and all. So let's see how can you do this. So in concatenation, normally when you done in Excel, guys, once you do the concatenation, so in concatenation it will take only two parameter, but you want multiple parameter. And in that case, again you have to use ampersand. So I'm going to do the concatenation, concatenate text one comma text two. Suppose here I take it pizza name or pizza category. Any you can take pizza category comma pizza name. So this is really very important question for interview. If I'm writing concatenate CONCATE and ATE concatenate, so in that case I can take only two parameter, right? Not more than to that. You can see it. Here you can write concatenate. Okay, concatenate text. Enter. But if I want to give like a hyphenation between and all, so how can you do this? I want to multiple four, five, six column together. So in that case, we have to use ampersand. Again, new column you have to choose. And here you can see like I want to concatenate like pizza category space. Then you have to take ampersand like this. And in this between, you have to use double quotation. Whatever delimiter you want, you can give hyphen. Again, I will take pizza name, whatever column you want, you can take it. Again, ampersand. So single you have to take once you want concatenation. Double quotation, you can give hyphen, whatever you want. Again, I take it pizza price. Okay, I given hyphen. So this is where you can use multiple and do the string concatenation. See. Okay, what is a pizza name? Alright, okay. You have to give it another one because after then you cannot left blank. Again, let me add pizza cells. That's it. Enter. Now you can see. Okay. So you can see with a hyphen. Even if you want a space, you can give the space as well. Suppose you want a space between. So you can increase the space like this. Can increase as well. So this way you can add the space. Enter. You can see. So once you use ampersand, in that case, you can take a multiple column for the string concatenation. But once you use concatenation, in that case, you have to take only two. So this is the difference between the ampersand string concatenation and normal concatenation. So string concatenation. In short, you can write column name. Okay. Now we go for next in again new column. In you have to use what in doing. So in basically return the list of the values. Okay. So in that case, you have to choose in. How you go for this? Simple. Here I have to select. You can give any column name. You have to choose like suppose I want to even calculate. So calculate. Okay. After calculate, what you want to calculate like us pizza cells. What you want to see the expression filter. Pizza cells. Okay. calculate we want when sum of pizza cells. Okay, clear? Then close the bracket, comma. After then you have to take it here like sales product or any specific one you're looking for. So I want here I don't have what we have pizza name. So I will write here pizza name in keyword we have to use in basically we are taking in the curly braces. So we have to take it here name of the pizza. Like here I want deluxe and comma. Suppose I want another one here like a farmhouse. FAR farmhouse. Okay, comma. You have to take another pizza name if you want, like double quotation. I want your okay. After then you have to close a bracket. आप bracket को यहाँ पे close कर देंगे. Enter. So as you can see, guys, right? So in calculation, we get sum of the cells, right? Which pizza? You can say deluxe farmhouse. You can see here. So this is way you can use the in basically working just like a filter here. Okay, so this is way you can use the calculate. Okay, fine. So in this video, you have a cover of like how to go for the string concatenation, right? Normal concatenation, what is the difference, right? So you just simple concatenate here. So you can take two parameters. If you use ampersand, in that case, you can take multiple and calculate if you want to calculate. So we use the in keyword. So I hope you like it. Thank you so much.